Riding a bicycle is a simple skill that can be learned with a little patience and practice. Here are the basic steps to get started. Adjust the bike to fit you. Before you start riding, make sure that the bike is the right size for you. The seat should be at a height that allows you to touch the ground with your feet when you're sitting on the saddle. Mount the bike. Stand next to the bike, and place one foot on a pedal. Push down on the pedal to lift yourself up and swing your other leg over the bike to sit on the saddle. Start pedaling. Once you're sitting on the saddle, start pedaling with both feet to get the bike moving. Balance. As you pedal, use your body weight to balance yourself on the bike. Keep your arms and legs relaxed, and use small movements of your hips, legs, and arms to maintain your balance. Brake. To slow down or stop, use the brakes on your bike. Most bikes have either hand brakes or foot brakes. Shift gears. If your bike has gears, shift them to make it easier or harder to pedal, depending on the terrain. Remember, it may take a little time and practice to get the hang of riding a bicycle. Don't get discouraged if you fall a few times, it's a normal part of the learning process. Just keep practicing, and soon you'll be riding like a pro.